All right, so can you guys see my screen? If you can see my screen, just unmute your mic and say you can see my screen. Hello, guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, yes.
Can see your screen.
All right. All right, let's start. Okay, so this is the gold trade we had yesterday. I told you guys to hold if you can. You're making good amount of money. So this was the trade. This is a almost 7-hour trade. We are currently at around 4 hours. That's if you are wasting $10, you will have been $40 in profit on this. All right, but we're holding to the final TP. Yeah. Okay, so let's do our analysis on every other pair. Let's start from USDJPY. All right. So you guys can hear me and see my screen, right? Just unmute your mic and say yes so that I'll know that, okay, I want to start now.
Yes.
All right. So this is USDJPY, and let's start our top-down analysis. So we're starting from our daily time. What can we see? We can see an obvious uptrend. The market have been buying, obviously. Although we tapped on this zone, this is a good zone for the market to sell off, but the market is still respecting the buys. So for now, we're still bullish. All right. So we tapped on this last support zone. This is the zone that tapped price and make price fine. So because this is the last structure, we had this break of structure. So this is the last swing. Please mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Everyone mute your mic. Please mute your mic. Oh. So we tapped on this support zone because this is the last swing. Low. Who is this person? I'm coming. Let me mute everybody. I'm talking. Chantal, mute your mic. All right. So we tapped on this support level that sent price flying. So let's go over on the 4-hourly time frame. So on the 4-hourly time frame, what can we see? It gave us a break of structure, a nice break of structure here, showing us that okay, the buy move is continuing. All right, so let's go to the 1-hourly time frame to see more information. Okay, all right. So on the 1-hourly time frame, this is my recent 1-hourly break. All right, break of structure. So this is my range actually. My range is from this low to wherever zone the market decides to give me a lower time frame change of structure. So I know that okay, the market wants to start coming down. You get. So this is my range for now. All right. So what can we see now? Let me go to the 30-minute. All right. So you can see we've been respecting highs. We've been respecting lows and breaking highs. So what we want to do, we're just buying. When you're in an uptrend, you just want to be buying. Don't look for sales. That's the reason why most people take losses. You are looking for sales in an uptrend. Just look for buys. when you're in an uptrend, just be looking for buys until we have a change of structure. That's when you can start looking for sales. All right. So from this structure, what can we see? We could see this zone swept liquidity, fine, and it has inducement. So to me, this is a very good zone for me to buy off from. All right. So this is my trade on USD JPY today. This is a very good zone for us to buy from, targeting this high. Right. So the thing is, we'll continue buying this market until we have something like this, until we have a change of structure. Then we can probably sell, or we just wait for the market to get to around the discount zone. Then we continue the buy move. All right. So this is what we have. But now this is my trade for USD JPY. You can take a screenshot of it or something. But I'm going to send the signal to the VIP and the academy. Oh. So if you are here for free, you can just quickly take a screenshot or something. All right, so this is our trade for USD JPY. Let's go to GBP JPY. All right. So what can we see? Let's start with the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what can we see? USD JPY is in an obvious uptrend. All right, it is in an obvious uptrend. Then this is our last swing point. Market swept this low to tap on this O&C level. So we tapped on it, then we had a break of structure, signaling that okay, the buy move is continuing. Right, so we had this break of structure right here, signaling that okay, the buy move wants to continue. Right, so let's go to the time we have. Okay. Right, so on the hourly time frame, we've kind of been respecting sales. We've been respecting sales, and we had this last break of structure right here. So we had this last break of structure right here. And market tapped on this support level before buying. Right. So in this case, what do I want to do? Okay, the market now can decide to sell from this zone. All right. Or right. So the market can decide to sell from this zone because we had this last break of structure. Or the market can just okay, he wants to start buying from this zone like this. So the thing is, we don't predict the markets, we only react. So what I want to see is that what I want to see. Let me go to the right. So this is a very good zone for the market to sell off from if it is going to sell. So the reason why this is a good zone for the market to sell off from, the market broke structure. So just with this price action here, you can see that okay, this market is actually bearish, and then we have this good inducement. We have this inducement right here for it to tap on this zone, and this zone is a very nice zone that swept liquidity. So the market could sell off from here. But what I want to do is that if I get a buy opportunity, I'm going to take it to this zone. Then after this zone, I'll watch and see if the market is going to give me a sell entry for me to short it, or if it is going to give me a buy continuation entry. So I want to see that if the market gets here, I will see if the market is going to give me a sell entry, then I'll sell it downwards. Or if the market is going to give me a buy entry, that's if it's going to invalidate this high. So if it's going to buy, it should invalidate this high, then probably give me a buy entry, then I'm going to enter. You get. So this is what I want to see on GPJPY. But anyhow it is, any structure we have, I'm going to send it to you guys. All right. Let me see what we have here. If we could take a buy to this zone. I think there's something here, but this one happened earlier around 7 o'clock. So we already missed it. This is a good zone to buy from. This is a very good zone. Why? Because this one swept liquidity and has engagement. So you could just take a buy from here, targeting this engagement high. But we've already missed it. So there's nothing we can do here. We just wait and see what the market has for us. So um my my setup for this thing is let the market just get here. When it get here, we'll know what to do. All right, so this is GBP JPY, and let's go to gold. Gold, we already have a trade setup, and the trade setup is playing out nice, but it's a new day. Let's see what we have for the new day. Let me delete this one. Let me delete this. All right. So I'm going to explain the reason why I took this sell for gold, and we are going to other trade match. Please, everybody, mute your mic. Oh. Mute your mic, please. All right. Why is my voice echoing? Please mute your mute your mic. Oh. All right. So this is good. Then let's start gold from our daily time frame. What can we see? We could see that okay, gold have been buying. We've been bullish on gold. All right. Then we tapped on this support level right here. We tapped on this support level right here. Then after tapping on this support level, we have a break of structure right here. Confirming that okay, this market is going to continue buying. All right. So let's go to the far time frame. So okay, we know that okay, this market is actually bullish, but yeah, we still took sell. So I'm going to explain it to you guys why I took the sell from that zone. So this is a good range from this low, from this low, from this low to this high. So this is our range. All right. So and what we want to do, we want to buy at discount and sell at premium. All right. So that's what we want to do. Then the market is already at the discount zone, but we've not tapped on any major level that can send the price buying. So major level that I'm expecting the market to tap on before buying is somewhere here or this place. So around these levels, if the market gets to this level and I get my confirmation entry, then I'll buy. But since we've not gotten to this level, I will still look for sell. And I got my sell entry. That's why I took sell. All right, so let me explain the sell entry to you guys. So if you see, you can see this obvious structure. We have this break of structure right here. And then there's this inducement. Then it tapped on this level. Tapped on this some people call it other block, but I call this O and C. Tapped on this O and C level. Then let's go to 1 hourly time frame. All right, so seeing this, I was just waiting for my confirmation entry, and I got. Let's go to 30 minutes. So after that, we had a change of structure because market broke this low. So once I see this, I know that okay, this market is going to sell. So there's a trade setup here, but I was not on the chart, so we missed it. Who is this? Please mute your mic. Oh. Please mute your mic. Who is this? All right. So we had this change of character, signifying that okay, we're actually bearish. Saying this, I just know that okay, this zone has liquidity sweep and it has engagement. So I knew this is the perfect zone to take my sell trade. So we got in our sell trade right here. So we got in our sell trade right here, targeting the last low. So these are sell trade. But now it's a new day. Let's find another trade we can take. So what can we see? We can see that okay, the market has been respecting highs and breaking lows. So once you just be looking for sell entries, let me see if you see me time frame to see something. All right, so we have this nice break of structure. This is the nice last break of structure. All right, like this. Okay, nice break of structure. And then this zone swept liquidity. So seeing this is my range. My range is from this high to this low. So I just want to see inducement. These are an inducement, fine. So where's my entry? This is a good zone for me to take my trade off. But this is a nice this is a support stone resistance. So what it means is that the market is supposed to buy from here, but it invalidated it, turning it to a resistance zone. So now the market is going to come back, tap on it and sell off. So this is my gold trade setup for today. So this is what I'm going to take today on gold. We're targeting just this low right here. So this is a 5 hour trade. If you are wasting $10, you'll be getting $50 on this trade. So this is my trade on gold, and we've analyzed the three pairs I trade here. So if you guys want me to analyze any other pair, just put it on the chat box so I know which pair you guys want me to analyze. Any pair you want me to analyze, just drop it on the chat box. BTC. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So Chanta said BTC. Let's analyze BTC. All right. So this is BTC USD. Let's start from our weekly time frame to get the overall picture of BTC. All right. Okay. It's a down time frame. So on the daily time frame, what can we see? This is our last structure. So we have a break of structure right here. So with that, let's mark our range. So this is our swing range actually from this low to this high. This is our swing range. Right. So this zone didn't get to the discount zone. So I guess this is just an inducement for the market to tap on somewhere here before buying. Right. So let's go to the 5 time frame to see clearly what we have. All right. So on the hourly time frame, let me move this first. What can we see here? We could see this last structure that we have here. Although this is more like a liquidity sweep, not a break of structure. So this market swept this high. Then the structure changed to sell. So we've been breaking highs and respecting. We've been breaking lows and respecting highs. Then we get to this zone. This is also a swing. This is a swing zone from because this low created this high. So this is a swing zone. All right. It has liquidity system and inducement. So this is a good zone. If the market is going to buy, this is not a bad zone for it to buy. But for me to take a buy, I want to see nice structure. Like I want to see the market invalidate something like this. Then okay, I can start looking for buys. But for now, I'm even expecting this zone to get swept. I'm actually expecting this zone to get swept. But if he's going to buy from here, but this is not a bad zone. If you're going to buy from here, then I want to see a change of structure. Giving me that okay, this is a good buying zone. All right, let's go to 1 hour time frame to see clearly. All right. So what do we have here? Let me see. Right. So on the 1 hourly time frame, we had this last week of structure right here. We go to get see clearly. Right. All right. So this particular zone swept liquidity and it has inducement. So this zone is not it's not a bad zone to look for sell actually. If we look for sell right here, delete this. Look for sell. Or but me, I'm just going to watch this kind of market now. I prefer to just watch. You don't need to force anything. So what I want to see now, if the market gets to this zone and I get a confirmation entry to sell off, I'm going to take it. But then if the market invalidates this high, then I know that okay, this market wants to probably start buying. Then if you invalidate this high right here, I'll just look for confirmation to continue the buy move. So if you validate this high, I'm just going to look for entry to continue buying the market. All right, so this is what I have for gold for BTC. I really don't have any setup right now on it. So I just have POIs that I'm expecting the market to give me some reactions from. All right, so that's for BTC. Since I really don't have anything right now. Let's go to which other pair? Let me check. Okay, GU. Let's analyze GBP USD. Ouch. I don't have much time. Let's just quickly do this one. Okay, so let's start from our daily time frame. All right, so what can we see? Let me start from our weekly time. It's been long I checked this pair. Like I stopped trading any USD pair. If it's not JPY or gold, I'm not trading. All right, but let's do this. So our last structure is we've been bullish, we've been buying. And then let's go to the daily time frame. So what can I see? The market tapped on this support level. All right, so we tapped on this support level and we've been buying since. Let's go to the 4 hourly time frame to observe. So on the 4 hourly time frame, what do we have here? We swept this high. This is a buy side liquidity. So we swept this high and we've been selling ever since. All right. So what do we want to say? Currently, we are looking bearish on BTC. I mean on GU. So since we are looking bearish, we just have to look for sales. All right. So which zone is good for us to take our sell entry? 30-minute time frame. All right. So I'm seeing this as my last structure. So we have this break of structure right here. And then we have this zone that swept liquidity. So these are a range. Our range is from this high to this low. So we want to look for our trade around the premium zone because what we do is that we sell at premium and buy at discount. So around the premium zone, we have this zone as inducement. So this is a good zone for us to look for sell on GBP USD. So this is a good zone for us to look for sell here. Right, so your stop loss could be here. Let me check that time frame. All right, so your stop loss being here is not bad because this one actually swept liquidity. So the market really don't have reason for taking out this high. So your stop loss should be here, targeting this low. So this is my trade setup for USD JPY, which is nice. So it has this small liquidity, this small inducements. So this is a very nice setup on GBP USD. This is a very nice setup on it. So this is my trade setup on GBP USD. Although I don't trade it too, so if you are trading it, this is a very nice setup for GBP USD. Because we've been bearish and we have this nice setup. So let me just do a screenshot of this. This is GBP USD. Then let's go to our USD JPY. Let me see what the market is doing. All right. Take a screenshot of this. Okay, for this one, I don't have anything yet. And this. All right, so that's that. Which other pair do you guys want me to analyze? We don't have time again. BTC, Ethereum, US, Euro CAD, Euro USD. Okay, so I've already analyzed BTC. Ethereum. Let's check Ethereum. Ethereum is almost the same thing as BTC, so the same way. Almost the same way, I mean. Let's start daily time frame. All right, so what can we see? Ethereum have been buying. It has been in an obvious buy trend. So let's go to our daily time frame to see. So we've been buying, and this is our last break of structure we had. So this is our range from this low to this high. All right, and the market tapped on the discount zone fine. What did it tap on? Okay, so it tapped on this level. All right, so this level is in the discount zone. So it tapped on it, and what do we have? Let me go to the one. Okay, all right, this is nice. So we tapped on this. Let me delete this. And then we have a change of character because the market have been selling, and this is the last swing high. This swing high cost this low. Although this is even this is the last one, but this is small. You could say this and you book it. So seeing this, we've confirmed that okay, this market have changed structure and the market has start buying. All right. So this is nice. We have this break of structure, and the market tapped on. Okay, so the market tapped on this level. This is a resistance turn support. So the market was supposed to sell from here, but he broke it. Then he used it as support to start buying. This is a resistance turn support. So he tapped on it. Let's see if we have it. Information. Probably give it here, but okay. Let's see some. All right. So what we know is that Ethereum is bullish, but we can't find any entry for now. Right. Okay. There's this one on the 5 minute time frame. There's this break of structure, and then this zone swept liquidity. So we know that okay, this is our range from this low to this high. So this is a inducement. So we just take our trade from here. All right. But what I would love to see, I want to see the market do something like this. Come to this end zone, go up a bit, like giving us a better inducement. But this inducement is actually small. So if I see something like this, then the market do something like this. This will be very, very nice. So this is my Ethereum trade setup. All right. So it's more of a 5 minute trade. I really can't find anything on the 15 minute or on the higher time frame. Sha. Let's hope I start winding me now. Okay, so this will have on Ethereum. All right, so just let me just screenshot this. All right, so we don't have much time. Let's just check what is happening here. All right, so someone said Euro USD. The thing is, we don't have enough time now to analyze Euro USD. So we just analyze it some other time. All right, so hope you guys learned something on the call. And I'm going to send the trade setup we have on the group. So you guys can place your limits. All right. So see you guys next time. Let me end this. All right. Peace out, guys. All right.